So we do have a leaking faucet here, and it's either this side or that side that is leaking. And in order to fix this, we have to first turn the water off to the line that comes down here. This is a little bit up here, and that's how we're going to turn those valves off, the shut-off valves, both of them, the ones that go down there to the faucet. Good, that the water is turned off now. We're going to make a little room here and space so that I can get to this. There is here a Phillips screw from the side. That's the thing we opened up first. We have a fitting Phillips head here. There we go. So it is important that you make sure that you don't drop anything in here. When those pieces are made out of brass, fall in the hole. Let me show you down there. If they fall in this hole, they're gone forever, right? So put something over it. Okay. And let's see how we fix this here. This has to come off. Now, this was on here for many, many years. It may not come off easy. I'm gonna help it. Maybe with the screwdriver. Oh, there it came off. Did you see that? There's animals in here. Wow. Doesn't look new, but that's what it is. Doesn't look new. Then you need a fitting wrench to go with this one. This one is a 5/8 here. See if that works. And we go and loosen this up. Here. To a degree where we can say, hey, maybe we can do this by hand. Oh yeah. And there we have this piece where we need another Phillips again. Unscrewing this Phillips here, and then we replace this piece here, right? There's a rubber seal here. If we don't damage this, we can reuse this. Okay, so we don't want to damage anything there. So leave the rubber seal on here and just use a Phillips to open this up. Do I have to do this over the sink here? So I need to have a better grip of this side here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this handle here to hold it. Let's see, and then open the screw without breaking it off, okay? And you see how it comes off already? And now all we need is a new rubber piece here, okay? So you're gonna go to the store with the sample here. I'm gonna go to the store and get the exact same piece. So this is how that looks like. Let's see how the new one looks like. So, say thanks to Ace Hardware, and that's where we get those $1 gaskets. So in my case, it's this here, 1/4 L beveled washer, made in Taiwan. See, there it is in here. I'm gonna open this bag. I'm sorry about this, I didn't mean to. It's gonna be great. And we just put this back on here. I have to turn this around. Not too tight, because then you rip it off. Okay. And then you need to get this off here, there. And the rubber seal is still there, in good shape. I'm gonna screw this back in. Now. And then we use our 3/8 again to tighten this thing up. There we are. And now, sorry I bumped you. We're gonna close the faucet again. That should be closed. And then we have to open the water faucet again. Right, so now we are opening them up again, all the way. There. And then we just have to be careful that they don't leak here after you use them after a while. But those here look like they're in pretty good shape. Let's close this up. And then this one here goes up there. It'll be a lot of air. So this is going to be the closed position. And then we need to put our Phillips screw back in here. Then again, this is a brass screw, so we can't be putting in this too tight. You know, don't put it in too tight. The worst thing what can happen is if the screw falls out, that the handle falls off. So there we have 2 new washers. And so we have a little leakage in the first moment because this is full of water and the shutoff is here, so from here to there it will drip a little, but after the first initial drip is gone, it will stop dripping. And that's how easy it is to fix this. See? Now it stopped dripping. Very good. And no, I do not forget to put this hose back down here, the one for the laundry machine, that doesn't spray all over the place once that works again. What is this here for? Oh, see, I have a spider web on my fingers. Okay. Need to clean this up a little bit here. But alright, so there we are, done with this repair.